Hello traders, it's October 11, 2022, 10:27. Market opened about an hour ago, and I'm here to do a market recap. This one is a very short trading day, just because at the open of the market, I came in late in my trading station and still recovering from COVID, but what I saw was the SPY is still heading lower. So as you can see here, we are still on that, we broke off that low of we've been all-time low for the past couple of days now. So market does not have any strength for this to go higher. Everyone is on the sideline, and if you're not short, then that means you're really getting crushed with this market. There are no catalysts yet for this market to bounce. So for this kind of a market, the only logical play for this is through trading or specifically scalp trading. So what I saw today was I was looking at DICE. The reason why I was looking at this one is this is one of my gap up lists. That DICE is one of those stocks that went into my gappers list. So it's had gap up more than 14% at the open. So I have my eye on this, and what I wanted to do with this stock is a 9 EMA play. So at the 5 minutes, it touches the 5 minutes, and of course I was looking at the 2 minutes. I thought this one was a reversal right here. That's why I entered long right here with a stop loss right here at that low of that candlestick. And of course, sure enough, I got stopped out there. Now it's moving to my predicted level, but I'm already done for the day. So DICE, I got a loss of 710. And then for Uber, it's moving like a SPY. Uber had a bad news. For us to be able to see the news, I usually just go to this Uber if I have time. And of course, this stock tanks 12%. Currently trading down $3.49. According to reports, Uber's rival LYFT is testing an earnings algorithm that will allow drivers in 18 US cities to see destination and pay details before accepting a request. So because of its competitor, LYFT, Uber is taking the beating. Competitor is always a good thing, especially for consumers, but with the stock, it is now trading lower. So this one had gapped down significantly at the open, more than 3%, and it's been also in the gap down list. So what I saw here was Uber was trending lower, and again, I came a bit late just because I actually have to work today, and so I came in late. I missed this chance to short the Uber, but this could have been a good opening range breakdown as well as a VWAP play, because all throughout it was just trading below the VWAP. But since I missed that trade, I didn't want to enter short any here or at any. You don't want to catch a falling knife. So what I found in Uber is that bounce. I saw that the volume is trying to have that bounce as well with the volume. As soon as we saw a reversal, this candlestick right here was formed a very bullish candlestick right here. So I went long at that break of this candlestick, heavy long, and then partial all the way to VWAP and out all the way to the 9 EMA. When we were in the 9 EMA, I saw that this one is, together with the SPY, is also showing. So the SPY, this is how the SPY was looking at that time. broke PPWAP did not had enough juice for this to push through those, but had that reversal as well. So having that into consideration, when I saw Uber, I saw this weakness right here, so I entered short and then added to my position, and then all the way covered my position here, partial, added to my position, partial, and then moving my stop loss, and I was all out at 23.69. So with that move to the long side, just because I was able to capture this one, so from 23.61 all the way to 24.23, I was able to get 2,000. And then when I shorted it, which is at this point, so 24.08 all the way to 23.51. With that short, I got 1,600. So I got a loss of 710, but overall for today, I got 3,000. So that is the power of trading together with the SPY and looking at what the market is doing. I hope you had a great trading day, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.